Today, we will be doing pure water. Now we will start unboxing. Carbon filter, low oxygen resin, and oxyhydrogen. Now we're gonna unpack all of this stuff. Some cables, some gloves, a tube, another tube, another tube, and another tube. The first experiment we're going to do is oxyhydrogen. Obtain an oxyhydrogen mixture via electrolysis. To make the electrolysis process effective, prepare an alkali solution. The reaction between calcium hydroxide, CaOH2, and sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, yields sodium, hydrogen, NaOH, exactly the alkali we need. So we have some calcium hydroxide, and we have some bit of sodium carbonate, and we have some boiling hot water right over here. We're gonna put 20 grams in. So now we're gonna put calcium hydroxide in. We're gonna put all of it in. Okay, now that's in. We're gonna put the sodium carbonate in. Now we're gonna take the syringe and take 5 mils, and we're gonna do that 4 times, so we do it to make 20 mils. So we want this warm, but it's not very warm, so we're going to slide it inside of the cup, like that. How we can tell it's hot, we've seen this in the past videos, is if it brights up, that means it's really hot. How that we know when it's done is when the thermostat turns darker, like a bit more black. That's how you know it's ready. We are now preparing the electrolyzer. So I'm now connecting up the electrolyzer with the crocodile mouths. So let's open this mouth. Now, after waiting the 30 minutes, the thermostat says that it's cool because it's getting darker. So before we pour this part inside of it, this cup, we're going to put this in for a filter. So while we set that up, okay, now that that's in, we take this cup and we pour it in. Now it's gonna filter all of it in. So we wait till all of that stuff is inside here. Now that we've done this cup, we're going to pour the chemicals into the beaker like this. So now that we need to finish making the electrolyzer, we're gonna put this white one, you see that? Open the crocodile mouth. Put it like that. Now we take this black one over here. So we have this piece that we found from the start. We're going to take it. We have to be very careful. Take it, and we're gonna carefully pour it in that tube. So now we're collecting the oxyhydrogen gas because we put the sodium hydroxide into there, which releases a chemical reaction, which makes it pull up to the top. We're gonna catch it with this cup. I've lit the candle. So what we're going to do is, when the gas goes inside, we're gonna take it quickly, put it on the edge, like this with this cup, and then it's gonna release like a kaboom. So we're going to wait for it. It's almost there. Wait. We're gonna wait till it at least gets past this point right here. That's when the gas will probably come in. And it's almost in. So we're going to do it in 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna take it from the pipe. That's the release that we're gonna get. The candle was extinguished because of the reaction of the hydrogen and the oxygen. I hope you'd enjoyed this video. If you want to watch more videos, just go to our channel, scroll down, and whatever. More videos will be coming soon. Bye!